vibes? It is Smooth Life Time. We're back with another video today, you guys. We're back with a POV view of my C7 Z06. If it's a little too windy, I might switch over to my other camera because that one has the wind dampening on it, and I think I might have to. But it is a heads cam E50 C7 Z06. Has a low side. It has a high pressure fuel pump. Same thing as the little aftermarket bolts. So you might hear a couple noises, like the little squeaking is from. We already looked at it. It's from the leaf spring hitting something. So it's a little squeak, 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 squeak over like bumps and stuff. So don't be worried. That might be a sound you hear in the background. Hopefully you don't hear it as much. And also this is a Z06, Z07. So it does have carbon ceramics. Let's go to this side. I think the one is less prominent over here. It does have carbon ceramics, so you will be hearing a little squealing at stops at low speeds until they get warm. That's okay though. But yeah, red, you see I got the red calipers on there. I will start it up for you guys so y'all can hear this monster from outside and not just inside on the whole video. But we are going to drive around my town a little bit, get some wide pulls in, downshifts, hear it chop at stoplights. I don't think we're gonna find a race while we're out here. We might. It is 70 degrees outside today, so we might find a race. But I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of this chop. Now I could play that all day. I could play that all day. No such thing as too much chop. You feel me? I waste all my gas playing that. But we're gonna go ahead and hop in the car. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys what engine bay looks like before we hop in. Just so y'all see the full what's going on in here, because I didn't even mention the Magnuson 2300 that's on here. I'm talking fast. I don't know why I talk fast when I start recording. Like I already talk fast, but I talk faster on here. But there's a Magnuson 2300 on here, 2.6 upper, and a couple goodies, 5-inch intake. That filter needs to be replaced. And it does got a little burble on the downshifts. Not tuned like that on purpose. That's how it is. Them pops are crazy. It might hook. It actually might hook, you guys. It is 70 degrees outside though, so. These rows are, this is Z07, so it is so stiff. So these rows are so harsh on the suspension. That junk sound like it hurt, buddy. Jesus. Lord. Jump be moving, boy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No problem. Alright, you guys, so I did my POV for you guys. It wasn't a lot of dropping, but it was some stuff, some downshifts, some watt pulls, nothing too crazy. You feel me? It was during the day. Your boy is a law-abiding citizen, so I wasn't going too crazy out there. But we did, you feel me, get our first POV out. It's going to be many more at nighttime and some more crazier stuff, I promise you. This is my first time in my Z06 doing a POV like I did in my Z01 a couple times. So it should be cool. Thank you.
Man, I wish I had that car.
Hey man, shoot, I sell it to you. No, I'm joking. I only had it for like a month now, so.
Oh yeah, I better can afford this.
Hey, it is, you never know, God might bless you, you never know.
Oh yeah.
Just gotta work hard. Yeah. All right, bro, you have a good day. But yeah, we did do our thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you join the Smoovelifer gang, hit that like button, subscribe, and you feel me, comment. I don't know why I'm messing up, you feel me, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the Smoovelifer gang. Hit that button, hit that bell notification every time I drop a banger, but y'all already know the vibes, man. Smooth Life Ty is out.